It's Bonnie. Happy Tuesday! I am back and I want to talk about Bath & Body Works Hot Cocoa and Cream. Oh my goodness, you guys. I am so excited about the possibility of this scent coming back. So, here's what we know. There is a pamphlet out there circulating on the internet. If you want to get the scoop, head over to Tess, Life Inside the Page. And Hot Cocoa and Cream is one of the body care products that is listed in this document, which is supposed to be coming back. So, is it going to come back? I hope it does. You never know. Things can happen, but fingers crossed we see it again. So the last time we saw the full-sized Hot Cocoa and Cream in the body care was the Land of Sweets. Oops, this one's crooked. There we go. There were more in this collection. We had Winter Candy Apple and, oh my gosh, what were the other ones? I think there were 6 of them in this style packaging. It was really cute. Bright Lemon Snowdrop, of course, which hasn't come back. Santa's Blueberry Shortbread, which has not come back. But maybe one day we'll get those back. And then the full-size Hot Cocoa and Cream. Now, I'm going to put a screenshot up right here. So we have gotten Hot Cocoa and Cream back in the minis. Oh my gosh, were these not adorable? I think this was 2 years ago. Those were like the cutest minis like ever. Loved them. But we haven't seen the Hot Cocoa and Cream in the full size. The reason I like the full size especially is because of the shower gel. I hate the shower gel minis. They're hard to use. You don't get like a lot of product. I want a full size Hot Cocoa and Cream shower gel. I want many of them because I love it. So this is what the packaging looked like. Hot Cocoa and Cream had released before with the Mary Cherry Cheer. Remember that? And it had a different packaging, but I don't know why they stopped doing it. They did it for like, what, 2 years? 2 years in a row, I think. And then it was like, boop, it was gone. So, as many of you know, Bath & Body Works also has the Hot Cocoa and Cream candle. By the way, this year we're getting the spicy one, which is Feliz Navidad, which is supposed to be like a spicy hot chocolate. I'm so excited about that one, by the way. So excited. So Hot Cocoa and Cream in the body care is the same as the candle. It is decadent milk chocolate, fresh steamed milk, and mini marshmallows. It smells very similar to the candle, by the way, which is kind of good because, you know, there's some scents that smell like the candle. Champagne toast, black cherry merlot, strawberry pound cake. There's a lot of them. I gotta review this one, by the way. Beautiful this year. So the body care, oh my gosh, it smells so good. What's nice is they really layered in the scents. And it's funny because a couple of people have said they wish it was a little bit more vanilla in the chocolate. And this one definitely has more of a robust fragrance, which I think is kind of good. Sometimes you do want to smell just like chocolate. Other times you do want a little bit of that kind of overall fragrance mixed in, so you just don't smell like a walking Hershey bar, you know? So there's good and bad. I mean, I do like the walking Hershey bar thing. Oh, by the way, I gotta get done here because I gotta go watch Dancing with the Stars. Yeah. So, I totally miss this scent. I really do. It smells wonderful, actually. I love the dry down on it because the dry down just has a little bit of that wonderful, like powdery chocolate, a little bit of vanilla, and then it's got like a little bit of that, just like a sweet marshmallow vibe going on, which is so nice. We really need a chocolate. The last time, where did I put that? You know, I'm just losing everything on my desk. I've got so much stuff here. The closest this year we've come to anything chocolate has been the Frost Melt, which is fresh mint and chocolate from Victoria's Secret, by the way. I'm going to do a full review on this one. I do like this one a lot. So if you like a fresh mint and chocolate, oh yeah, you're going to want to do this one. But if you don't like mint, you're probably not going to like this one. You're going to want to wait for hot cocoa and cream. Oh, I love it on the dry down. What's interesting is the best way to experience hot cocoa and cream is to wait for the dry down, because of course, anytime you're dealing with a mist, you're going to have a little bit of the alcohol note in there. Let me do Santa's blueberry shortbread. Oh gosh, this smells so good. Oh my gosh, you guys, we need this one back. So when you get like those stronger scents, when you first spray them on, you're not going to get the alcohol as much because the scent is so robust. But hot cocoa and cream is a little bit on the light side. And then when you first spray it on, you do get a little bit more of the alcohol. But once the alcohol dries down, you're left with the nice, like, it almost smells like a Nestle chocolate. A little bit of marshmallow, a little bit of vanilla in there, but it just smells really good. And then they added another element. So like I said, it's not like full on like walking Hershey bar, but I love both of these, you know? I mean, this is like, I don't know. I'm kind of digging the whole chocolate thing this year. You always need a good chocolate for the holidays. Seriously. I actually love the Bath & Body Works chocolate covered cherry. A lot of people thought that one smelled like pepper. I did not. I want that one back. Seriously. So bring it on. Cross your fingers that we are getting hot cocoa and cream back in the full size. I can't wait. Let me know your thoughts. And I will see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.